Do you ever search for an issue on the internet only to find there are no recommended solutions other than take it to the dealer? Well, that happens to me often, and I end up figuring out the solution myself. The 1999 Ford Windstar rear electronic module has a common issue where one or all of the taillights will stop functioning. After following all the diagnostic procedures in the service manual, verifying all the wiring and relays, I opened up the board and started tracing circuits and found the issue in my unit was caused by some faulty resistors. I had temporarily fixed it some time ago with generic resistors. Today I'm tearing back into it to replace them with the correct parts. These resistors, labeled 682 on the board, are 6.8K ohm in an 0805 SMD package. I sourced them from Mouser at 37 cents each. The resistor shows the correct value after soldering and it's good to go. While the rest of the resistors are getting tested and the faulty ones are replaced, I'm going to go put an American brew on and get the funk out. With the module reinstalled, the car has got all its lights back on and there are no more faults reported.